JavaScript is a very important language for a full stack developer or any front end developer, because JavaScript has ability to build a web application from static to dynamic fully. Okay, so when we want any application to be fully dynamic, then we need JavaScript. When you want to animate your web page or web application, and when you want to add some uh, extra activity or extra ability of your web apps, so you need JavaScript. So JavaScript is a language. It is also a coding language. So, and there are many and many jobs available for JavaScript developers. So, and JavaScript developers are earning very high decent amount of money by doing full stack development, and JavaScript developer also earning through freelancing, working on many projects which cost, I think, more than 2 lakh 3 lakhs. Okay, and there are many frameworks available in JavaScript, like for backend you can go to Node.js, Express.js. That is very powerful actually. Netflix website, and Facebook also, and many new websites, that many important, that is a Spotify website you can uh, see. They are using the JavaScript. They are using the JavaScript framework, React.js. That is very powerful also. AngularJS, React.js. They are mainly made up of what? JavaScript technology. JavaScript uh, language. I can tell
Study
you. I
Indian
can
Academy
I can tell
dan
you JavaScript.
advantages.
JavaScript. Uh, I can tell you JavaScript is a language which you can use to do some mathematical solution in any research, when you want to go for higher studies, when you want to show some calculation in your web applications on your front end, then JavaScript is very important actually. Okay, so today I will start about JavaScript. So I will start about JavaScript introduction. So guys, welcome to the first JavaScript section. Okay, this will begin to build our understanding of adding interactive functionality to our website. So very important word here, interactive functionality. Interactive means your web page is now moving. Moving means it roam around, and it's go to another web pages, and it go to another links, and it do some activity. So this is means interactive, and this only happened with the help of JavaScript. Okay, so JavaScript is actually support is built directly into modern web browsers, and every web browsers like Chrome, and Edge browser, also Safari, also for Mac users, they are strongly supporting JavaScript. So we can run JavaScript directly into the browser console. You don't need to make any separate file and write there your code, and after that you will copy that path, and then you will open that path in any browser. Not like that. You can directly go to the inspect element, and inspect element go to the console, and you can directly write JavaScript. Okay, and this thing I also will do to type some JavaScript thing in console. Okay, so uh, or as a full .js script connected to an HTML file, or another way you can do, what you can do, you can add that .js file. You can make separate .js file, and you can add that .js file in HTML file, like we have included our CSS file. Okay, so we also will do that. So JavaScript, it's a fully programming language, like Python, C++, and JavaScript is like that, meaning HTML or CSS. These two are very separate. They are a scripting language. HTML is the markup language, that is not fully programming language. So I think HTML, CSS, they are not supporting the full features of programming like arrays, loops, and logics. And in JavaScript, you can build arrays, loops, and general logics, and also you can do for loop, while loop, and these things you can do in JavaScript. So we will briefly cover major programming concept. Then we go further towards JavaScript. So this is very important language, very 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 important. Eventually, we will show how to use JavaScript to directly change the HTML or CSS shown on a page. So in the ending, I will show you how to change the HTML or CSS that is already available with the help of JavaScript. So to begin with browser, we will focus on just the JavaScript basics by itself. So let me start with my browser, and then I will focus on writing JavaScript directly in the console. Okay. So we'll start off with JavaScript in the console. Console. I will show you. Later on, we will have a full .js script, and we'll make a separate .js script in our Atom text editor. Then I will add that .js script in our HTML code, so that we also will reflect the ability of that JavaScript code in our web page. All the code used in this section can be found at .js script under this folder. Okay, this folder, level 1 folder. I will show you this also. So let's get started. Okay, so then I'm going to my browser. Okay, and here I'm going to the in, incognito mode. Okay, in incognito mode, I am going to the inspect, and here I'm going to the console. Okay, so this is here I will write the uh, our JavaScript. Okay, so let me quickly show you how to write some JavaScript, and you can directly get the result in below of that. Okay, so how this is the console in which I can write. Let's say first JavaScript I can write alert. Okay, so this alert actually will show you something that you written here in alert. Let's say I return here not hello world. Every programmers are writing hello world in starting of any video lecture. I'm writing the techno crowd. Okay, so this is also our small organization. Okay, so let me show you the functionality of this alert. So let me save this, and you can no, we cannot save. You can refresh. Let me enter here. Okay, so when I entered, so our alert, this alert thing alerted the pop-up here in our browser, and it is what it is saying. It is saying techno crowd. Okay, so you can click OK. So we have got the result, the JavaScript we have written in our console application. Okay, and this alert I have shown you, you can directly use the ability, and let's say you want to write some let's say you want to write some what some comment. Okay, you want to write some comment in JavaScript. So what you can do, double slash, okay, 2 times slash, then you can write anything like your name or anything. Okay, so all the thing will be after 2 slash act as like a comment. Okay, further in JavaScript you can write numbers. Okay, so all are able to connect with JavaScript. All are able to see my screen. Can anyone confirm?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we can write the number here also. Okay, and here you can write any decimal number. Here you can write any floating point number. I hope you all know about floating point number, and you can write negative number also in JavaScript. They are the number, okay? And so also you can write uh, string also in JavaScript. So let me show you string, how to write the strings also, okay? For your information, I can tell you string is a array of characters, okay? So let me write here one string, that is techno crowd is a software development training company. Okay, so this is a string. So you can write like okay. So when I write this string and this give the result, techno crowd is a software development training company, and okay, this I have done. String part I have done. You can write the what? You can also write boolean. So before that, I can tell you, you can clear this console also, and we can clear by writing clear, then close. No, it's not working. It's giving error. So let me write again clear, then semicolon, and then enter. Okay, it is not also working. So let me do another thing. Clear. So why clear? Okay, clear is not working here. So actually clear is make our this console application clear. It remove everything actually. So type error, clear is not a command. I think we need capital C here. Oh, it is also not working. Okay, we can find the solution. Without finding the solution, okay. uh, how to So when you get error in your software development field, what you need to do, you directly search your error on Google, and then you find the solution. Okay, and I am also doing that. How to clear the console space in inspect. Okay, click clear console. Right click on a message and then select clear console. Okay, type clear in the console and then press enter. This is I am doing actually, it is not working. Call console.clear from your web page JavaScript. Control plus L while the console in focus. Okay. So let me do the what? Console dot control plus L. Control plus L I can do, and here it is not anything. So let me write the clear. Clear. It's not working actually. Okay. So we can talk about this later actually. Call console.clear from your web page. Type clear in the console, right click a message and then select clear console. Right click on a message and then select. Okay, let me write here JavaScript, and I will find the solution of this how to clear the console window, and I will give you this solution also. Okay. So let me show you. We can write the boolean here, and you all are able to connect, we can write the boolean here. Okay, so let's say I want to write true. Okay, so it's working like a true. You can write false also, and it is false. So this way you can write JavaScript in a browser. And null also you can give null value also. So it is also a value that is uh, telling nothing is stored uh, uh, in your memory. Okay, so I can also do the some mathematical solution here. I can show you. I can do that 2 plus 2, and you can see the result directly by entering. I got the result 4, and you can do subtraction also, and I got the result. On the basis of that, you can do the multiplication also. Let I am doing the multiplication, and you can get the result 16 by multiplying. You can also do the modulo operation you can do, or a division also you can do. So let me do the division, and you got the result. And let me do the division, this type of division in which we are getting the decimal floating answer. Okay, so let me do the this division also you can do, and we can also do the what modulo operation also we can do. So you can get the result by you if you do the 6 modulo 2, you got the result 0 because remainder is 0. Okay, these things you can try in your Django. No, in your JavaScript console, and you can write the different types of JavaScript. So these are all JavaScript I am writing. Okay, so I can show you one another features of strings. So let me write the strings in JavaScript, and you can get the result. So let me write the Django. Let me write the one string. Okay. So I'm writing Django is a cool framework. Okay. I'm writing the Django is cool framework, and this is directly came here a string below that. Okay, when I entered. Okay. Let me add two strings. Okay, let me add two strings. Adding two string is a logic actually in any programming language. Okay, so I also want to add here two string. Let me add this techno, and by writing plus you can write the this two string techno and crowd, and you when value enter you got the result techno crowd. Okay, and when you want to give the address space, when you want to give the space between uh, two strings, so that you can got the result with space, so you can got like you can do like that. Okay, and this is the string addition I have showed you. Okay, and another function you can do strings, what you can do, you can find the length of any string. Okay, so let's say uh, I am writing the one string that is my name. Okay, Manish, and I want to the length of this string. So how can I got the length? You can directly type the length. Okay, no, this is undefined. You can directly write the length, but length in complete. Okay, complete length you can write, and then you got the length of the string, that is 6 character length. Okay, and when you write the string like that, Munish, then space, then Kushwa, and you want to the length of this string, you can also get the length of this string 14. So while you give the space between two string and you want to the length of that is whole string, then space also counted in that. Okay, so 14 is the result by counting the space also. So this way you can do the string operation in JavaScript. And let me show you another thing, what in our JavaScript string operations you can give the this thing, uh, s- just like hello, and after hello you want to give the slash n, so you can get the string in another line. Okay, so here I want to give the slash n is giving the string in another line, so start a new line. Okay, so this string will start a new line, and let you can see, no, it's not working. Hello slash n start a new line. Eh, why it's not working? Okay, let me do the again. Okay, so this I want to give the slash n here, and start a new line. So this is not working actually. Slash n is not working here. Maybe this browser is updated on the basis of that we are not getting the result of using the slash n. Another thing I am showing you, I want to show you the property of slash t. So slash t is actually giving one space in between the two string. Give me a tab. So actually slash t is giving one tab space. One tab space in the resulted string. Okay, so let me try again. Let me try again, and I want to give the slash t in here. Yes, it's all working. Okay, fine. So I can show you. Slash n is giving you the next string next line, and slash t is giving you the one tab space. Okay. Another thing you can do, what you can do, you will write any JavaScript and string, and this JavaScript string. Okay, and you want the particular character by indexing, string indexing. It is like that string indexing actually. I'm showing you. So when you give the 4 index, I mean it start from 0. 0 means m, 1 means u, and 2 means n, and 3 means e, and 4 means s. So because string is an array, so indexing will work here. So that on the basis of that I also showing you. This way you can get the particular character from the string, and you can make your logic, and you can solve any DSA problem like that. So let me show you the one another way of indexing. You can do the indexing here also. Mm, you want this string, okay? And inside that string, Technocrowd is a software development training company, and you can give the indexing. Let's say I want to give 15 here, and you get the result. So on 15 we have this a character, okay? And let's say I want to give 14. So what we got here? 14, we I think we got here one space, because Before a we have a space that is on 14. Okay, and this is all about the string. And I'm moving toward the variable, so I want to give you the variable variable in how to create variables in JavaScript. Okay, how to create variable in JavaScript, and I am showing you. So what you need to write, where. So where is the important keyword to write what any variable in JavaScript. So let me write here bank account. And every time when we writing any variable, it should be in camel case. Camel case means first letter should be small letter, then second word letter should be a capital letter. Okay, so when you want to give any variable name, okay, it is the rule of giving name to any variable. And here I want to store, let's say, 100. Okay, I want to store, let's say, 100. And okay, so in bank account I have stored the 100 value. So this is the actually this is the syntax of writing any variable in JavaScript. One, first you write where, then variable name, then the value of that variable. Okay, but after entering we have not got anything. Okay, so when we got the value of that variable, when you write the variable, when you write the when you write the variable name bank account and then you give enter, you got the same value that is stored in that variable 100. Okay, this way you can work. Let's say further I want to show you another thing. So in bank account we have 100, and in deposit, deposit actually I want to give what, 100 more also, 50. I want to give deposit 50. Okay, so let's say this is okay, bank account containing 100 and deposit is containing 50, and I want the total. Okay, so let me create one total variable, and it is storing the what, bank account plus what, deposit. Okay, so bank account deposit, and let's say enter. Okay, now total is storing what, bank account plus deposit, that is 100 plus 50, and I got the result 100 plus 50 in total. This is all about the JavaScript thing, working on variables in JavaScript. Okay, and let me show you. We can store string also in any variable. Let's. I want to give some greeting to all you guys. Okay, sorry. So I want to give some greeting all you guys. So I make the one greeting variable, and I'm giving you some greeting message. Welcome to you guys in intensive. Okay, so welcome to you guys in intensive. This string I stored in our variable that is greeting, and okay, let's say enter. And I want this message in one pop-up so that you can give the alert. Inside the alert you don't need to write full what, you don't need to write the full string. You just write greeting variable name, and you got the result. Okay, so when you type enter, you got the result, welcome to you guys in internship. Okay, so this way you can give is a variable name, and you can store the string in variable. And you can also one thing you can do, I'm not doing, you can make one variable that is like greeting, and you can get you can make another variable that is like name. So let's say I want to welcome anyone by their name. So I can give the uh, two variable name, and then in other an alert, what I can do, alert, then inside the parenthesis I will write the one variable that is greeting plus second variable that is name. Okay, then it will automatically combine and add the two messages, and it will reflect that message in the pop-up. Okay, so that way you can do in JavaScript many string operations. I hope all you guys understand about it. Okay, so let's go further, and I want to make another variable also, and I want to make my variable, and my variable is a variable, and I'm not giving anything here. I just made variable. I have not initialized any value, and another I have made one variable that is bonus, and in bonus variable I am adding one value. So when you create a variable, you don't need to write a semicolon, but you when you given the value, you need to write the semicolon. This is the rules of JavaScript actually. And okay, and now in the alert I want to give one string, I mean hey. So inside that string, okay, so you can get the, okay, so you can get the, so after alert you can get the this message only. This is all about this. But another thing you can also do, what you can do, you can write the like here console dot log. So in console.log, you want to give any message, you can give like that. Hey, I am in the console. Okay, you can give this message like that, and when you enter, you can get this message directly below into that, because we are in console and we are writing the JavaScript, and you can do that console.log. So actually in JavaScript, you want to print something in any uh, programming file. Okay, so you can give the console.log. So like that you are giving print or a printf in any programming language, you can give here console.log. Okay, so actually giving a print is very important features in any programming language, in any software development. You know, I am working on a software development in which I am developing the 5G technology, and that is based on what programming language? C and C++ programming language. And in that actually we have many prints available, so that these prints are reflected into the log file, and on the basis of that log file we are able to find the bugs and what is the error in our code. So it is very difficult actually. I'm just telling you, it is very complex thing actually. But this is the software engineering people are doing in many multinational companies. Okay, and one another thing I want to show you before ending this meeting, one this prompt. You can give the prompt in JavaScript. Okay, so let me write uh, enter something. Okay, prompt is like input. Prompt is like std in C language. Okay, so this also you can give in JavaScript. It's not working. Okay, prompt will work. We are prompt enter something. Prompt is not defined. Why prompt is not defined? It's okay. So spelling error. So this is a spelling error, guys. It's prompt, not a prompt. Prompt. Okay. So let me enter, and you got the prompt here, and it is saying what? Enter something, and I am entering what? This, and give OK, and then you got the result here. So prompt is working like that. Okay. So guys, thank you. This meeting is going to end, and I will start the another meeting on what time? At 7:30. Okay. Right now I am not starting. 7:30 I will start.